Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel ML English Tutorials. Today I am teaching you the class 12 lesson 1, the third level of Vistas. The lesson third level that is written by Jack Finney. It is all about the harsh realities of war. Yes, specifically if I talk about, that is about First World War, Second World War. War has an irreversible consequences, actually, thus leaving people in a state of insecurity. It is also about the modern days problems and how common man tends to escape reality by various means, how human being uses various means to escape the harsh realities of life that is although beyond his reach, but still he tries, he keeps on trying. And in this story, a man whose name is Charlie, who hallucinates and reaches the third level of Grand Central Station, which only has two levels. He imagines that he has experienced the third level, but by the way there are just two levels. I have used the word hallucination here uh, for that to make you understand easily. I have there is one picture in front of you. One man and one male and one female is standing, and there is one picture. So through the picture, one lady is saying ki I see a vase, that is a container in which flowers are put, and the man is saying I saw two people. Although the picture is same, but the way to see, that is called hallucination. Actually in the picture means both the things are clearly visible, but at one moment, at the first sight, at the first glance, what did you observe? According to the lady it is a vase, and according to the man, at the first glance it is two people, the faces of two people is visible. This is called hallucination, and in this chapter, the whole chapter, Jack Finney observes the same. Fine everyone, this is all about hallucination. You must have read a chapter in your 10th class, that is virtually true. It seems like it is true, but it seems it is not exactly true, but it is virtually true. The third level, let us talk what is given before I come on the actual reading. The story actually revolves around a 31-year-old man whose name is Charlie. Here in front of you is the pic of Jack Finney, the writer of this chapter. Actually I must call him a very complicated writer. Complicated, when we will read the chapter, then we will observe that really he has written a very complicated chapter, and I will try my best to make the chapter simple to you. The story revolves around a 31-year-old man who is the protagonist of this chapter, who is Charlie, who experienced something that is very absurd, very weird. One day after work, when he was coming from the subway to the Grand Central Station, he reminisces the entire experience with his psychiatrist friend Sam. Sam is his friend. This is the second character. One is Charlie, another is Sam. And Charlie thought he experienced time travel and had reached somewhere in the 1819s. At a time before the World War saw two of its more deadliest war, First World War and then second. First World War fought between 1914 to 18, and second means it's around 1945. As soon as he realized what time he is in, he immediately decided to buy two tickets to Galesburg, and one for wife and one for himself. The wife name is here the Lucia, and unfortunately the currency used in that century was different. Thus the next day he withdrew all his savings and he got them converted. And then this is all about what we are going to read in this lesson. Charlie then resorts to, when he couldn't find the third level again, then he resort to stamp collection, that is the philately habit. And just to he is in a opinion that getting away from the harsh reality, this is the simplest way, the stamp collection habit. So Sam wrote that he always wanted to believe in the idea of third level, and now he is there, and he encourages Charlie and Lucia never to stop looking for it. This is all about that we are going to experience in this chapter. So without taking much of the time, let us come on line to line reading of the lesson. Here is the first the first page of your third level. Let us start with it. Before you read there, I have already talked about that it is written by, authored by Jack Penney, and the presidents of New York Central and the New York, New Haven and Hartford Railroads will swear on the, will swear here means like कहते हैं ना कि हम करते हैं कई बार, yes I swear, I am not telling lie. It is means these are the things that are the proof on the stack of timetable that there are only two here stands for levels, but I say there are three. Who is I here? I here is the Jack Finney, the writer. I is the narrator, whose name is here Charlie. So but I say here are three because I have seen on the third level on Grand Central Station. इट इज़ एज सिंपल एज लाइक कोई आपको कहे कि स्टेशन पर दो ही लेवल हैं, और जो चार्ले है वो कहते हैं कि नो नो भाई मैंने तो थर्ड लेवल भी एक्सपीरियंस किया है. सो इट्स लाइक दैट. बट हाउ if everybody, if 99 people in a crowd of 100 is saying कि two levels are there, and Charlie except that 100th one is saying there is third level also, and I have experienced that. Yes, I have taken the obvious leap. I talked to the psychiatrist friend of mine, among others. I talked about this problem. I thought कि I am some, I have some psychological issues, so I must meet my psychiatrist friend. He went to him and he shares his problem, and now I told about the third level at Grand Central Station. He shares, Charlie Finney जो है अपना इस प्रॉब्लम को शेयर करता है with his psychiatrist friend whose name is Sam, and he said it was a walking dream with fulfillment. एंड बिकॉज स्कैट्रिस्ट इज़ अ पर्सन जो डील करता है जो मेंटल केसेस होते हैं, या आप कैसे कह सकते हो जो साइकोलॉजिकल पेशेंट्स होते हैं उनको डील करता है ये बंदे. सो स्कैट्रिस्ट इज डॉक्टर, यू कैन कॉल हिम. I told him about the third, and he said it is a walking dream for you, daydreaming it is like, and that has means it's your wish was fulfilled. He said I was unhappy. That made my wife kind of mad, but he explained. when जब कहें कि भाई आपके हस्बैंड भाई नींद में नहीं चलते, दिन में भी चल रहे हैं और कुछ इस तरह से बिहेव कर रहे हैं, तो द वाइफ, द लेडी ऑफ द हस्बैंड टोटली गॉन मैड. मीन्स शायद मेरे हस्बैंड को कोई साइकोलॉजिकल इशू तो नहीं हो गया है, क्या प्रॉब्लम हो गई है, तो लेडी वॉज अपसेट ऑन हियरिंग इट. But he explained that he meant the modern world is full of insecurity, fear, war or worry and all the rest of it, and that I just want to escape. Well, who doesn't? Everybody I know wants to escape, but they don't wander down into the third level at the Grand Central Station. Let me take one example for the better understanding. देर आर सर्टेन पीपल जिनको किसी न किसी चीज़ का डर होता है, एंड दे वॉन्ट टू अवॉइड दैट. सपोज करिए किसी को हाइट से डर लगता है तो वो हाइट पे जाने को अवॉइड करता है. इट इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ इनसिक्योरिटी. इफ़ आई विल गो देयर समथिंग रॉन्ग विल हैपन विद मी. अगर किसी को स्विमिंग नहीं आता है तो वो वाटर बॉडीज़ को अवॉइड करना शुरू कर देता है. तो इट इज़ समथिंग लाइक दैट. तो कुछ ऐसा अबनॉर्मल नहीं फील हो रहा था अभी तक चार्ली को. But second paragraph I am on. But that's the reason, he said, and my friend all agreed. Everything points to it. They claimed my stamp collecting habit, for example, that is temporary refuse from reality. Well, maybe, but my grandfather didn't need any refuse from reality. Here, Charlie is telling the readers that it is not the problem with me. My grandfather also used to collect stamps, the habit of stamp collection. Let me add one more word in your dictionary, that is philately. It is a habit of stamp collection. I tell the spelling, P-H-I-L-A-T-E-L-Y. The habit of stamp collection. Things were pretty nice, peaceful in those days, but still मेरे दादाजी को बहुत पसंद था, and he started my collection. It is a nice collection too. Blocks of 4 of practically every US issue, first day covers and so on. President Roosevelt collected stamps. Here the writer, here Charlie, the protagonist, is telling you that he has the habit of stamp collection, and it is going very well. So I'm not getting myself away from the reality. He is feeling कि I am okay. और मैं एक नॉर्मल, अगर हम एक फन के मूड में कहें तो हर पागल अपने आप को पागल नहीं कहता है, ठीक है. तो here are some psychological issues with Charlie. Okay, anyways, here is what happened at the Grand Central one night. Now the reader is telling you, giving you some hint so that कि वो थोड़ा सा readers को अपनी story के साथ connect कर सके. So he is telling you. Anyways, here is what happened at the Grand Central one night last summer. I worked very late at the office. I was in a hurry to get up down to my apartment. Apartment is the area जहाँ पर आजकल हम flats की बात करते हैं. So I decided to take the subway from Grand Central because it's faster than the bus. Fine. So now I don't know why this should have happened to me. Here is again Charlie. I'm just an ordinary guy. Like the other people, I am also the simple one. My name is Charlie. I am 31 years old. He is telling his story to you readers, the one who is reading his lesson. And I was wearing a tan gabardine suit and straw decked with a fancy band. I passed a dozen men who looked like me, and I was not trying to escape anything. I just wanted to get home to Lucia, my wife. Fine. So he is a person, he is a married person, the wife name is Lucia. He is just 31 years old. He is going after office to his home, and then I turned into Grand Central from Vanderbilt Avenue and went down the steps to the first level, where you take trains of the 20th century. Then I walked down another flight to the second level. It means एक ट्रेन चेंज करके दूसरी ट्रेन के थ्रू उसको अपने घर पहुंचना था. And where the suburban trains leave from. Ducked into the arched doorway heading from the subway, got lost. Means he himself is adapting here. See, here is the hyphen mark. There is the punctuation mark, hyphen, and got lost. He himself is accepting that I got lost my way. And that's easy to do. I have been in and out of the Grand Central hundreds of times. But I'm always bumping into new doorways and stairs in the corridor. Can you imagine a person who himself is accepting कि भाई मैं इस रास्ते पर रोज़ तो जाता था, लेकिन मुझे हर बार ना नए रास्ते मिलते थे, नए कॉरिडोर्स मिलते थे, नई स्टेयर्स मुझे मिलती थी. हाउ इज़ इट पॉसिबल? तो चार्ले का मीन्स मेंटल स्टेटस आई एम टेलिंग यू, आई एम शेयरिंग हियर. ही इज लिटिल बिट a lost person, you may call him. Once I got into a tunnel about a mile long and came out in the lobby of the Roosevelt Hotel. Another time I came up in the office building on 46th Street 3 blocks away. So here we can easily evaluate the condition, the mental state of Charlie, who is the main character of the lesson and who is in the third level. Fine. See you in the second part of the chapter.